Previous video that I was not going to waste the light part from the headset that from this headlamp that I had, and I created this thing that I call it the head cam. If you don't know what it is, just go see my video, the previous video to this one. Anyway, I'm just going to put this on the side because that's just how it is when I started. And I had a couple of them, so I sacrificed basically one of the headsets for the camera, and so I call it the head cam. Okay, so then what I did is I had this little bracket that was had a little opening in here in the center. I enlarged it, and then I put a long bolt into this area in here, and just like as you can see where I'm pointing with my finger, there's a bolt there that holds this, and then you can go up and down or tilt it. I mean, that's what I really meant. So what I did is I drilled a hole, and then I tapped it with a tool and tap thread maker basically, and then I have one of these. This is kind of a nifty little tripod that I use for my photography. And you can still buy one of these, and these legs are basically nicely stabilized, this tripod. And then after I tap this with the quarter 20 thread, then I can just screw it onto this tripod. And I'm going to tighten up the knot here in the back, and as you can see, okay, and now I can turn it on and then tilt it any direction I want, or I can release this little lever and then, you know, make it shine up, or really any direction I want, left and right, up and down, so it will highlight the area that you are working on. And then to stabilize it, I can just latch that with this little handle. So there it is. As I promised that's what I'm going to do. I did, and I'm going to go ahead and upload the video and have some fun. You all have a great day.